Make me a gajillionaire. Cute and okay for a woman or something. I didn't get to see it because it was so little. Excuse me, sorry. And the hi Marvel. How are you doing? I'm gonna not burp. Hi Crix! But it was on top of avocado. Excuse me, I'm sorry. That one was an accident. I promise you guys that one was slash bitter. Well, I think I would have understood what you meant either way. I have this, wait, now that Sean's gone. Oh, okay. Circulating on adult. What's new? Girl, they've been there forever. I don't make adult content. I'm tall. Before and after guy never subbed. Before and after guy. What? I didn't take a before. Wait. You Minecraft, but the Minecraft phase isn't hitting yet. Now back. Oh, welcome back. Yeah, that's a dead ringer for this. What a crazy era in time that this one on and desktop on. So I don't know. Guys, we're gonna burp. Really funny. What the heck? Please do now. I'm trying everything in my capacity not to burp. Okay, did Short Batman fix it? Thank you, Ichigo. Okay, so the donation was doubled. You're so cute, Mellow Miles. Crix is très mignon. He's so Crix, you're the cute one. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. People love the outfit. Not concerning. Don't worry about me. Why not? I did everything else wrong. Excuse me. I believe that I was right to have said that. Be there! Be there! Thank you guys so much for watching.